We're out here at 1359 Gate Post Lane in Lawrenceville, Georgia. We've got wind damage on this roof. We also have hail damage all around it. We're doing an attempt to repair. In order to replace this shingle, I'm going to have to take the nails out on the top 2 rows. We're going to see if we can do that without damaging the upper shingles. So here we go. First row of nails are out.
10-4.
Here we go, second row. All right, so I got the top 2 rows of nails out. One shingle should slide right out. All right, right now you can barely see some granule losses coming out of these tops. Going back with the new shingle, there's going to be more granule loss because I'm going to have to lift them up a little higher in order to get the nails back on them. Alright, so my shingle's back in. Now I'm going to get my nails back in. Here are the granules
Falling as we go.
Falling as I hammer. All right, bottom row's in. Look, it's creasing. It's creasing starting. I'm being as gentle as I possibly can.
See them falling off.
See them falling off. See it, crease, crease. Crease. That was a crease that was already in there. See the creasing on top?
Yeah, obvious.
See that? I'm hardly lifting these up, just enough so I can reach that nail line.
And it's throwing granules.
It's throwing granules everywhere. we're
Heavy.
talking about 100 shingles like this. And once I get this last nail in right here, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 damaged shingles, all on replacing the one. And we've got these everywhere. Not to mention nice size hail.
Hail hits as
Go
well
on
as the wind damage shingles. Big hail. Obvious hail.
This roof's non-repairable.
Not repairable.